Google just quietly rolled out 5 new tools in one single week, and almost nobody is talking about them. One of them lets you talk to someone in a different language and it translates your voice in real time while you're still speaking. Another one builds entire reports, spreadsheets, and slide decks for you while you just sit back and watch it work. And one of them, I'm not exaggerating, lets you type a sentence and it builds a 3D world you can actually walk through. I'm going to break down all 5 of these, what they actually do, and how you'd use them, and stick around because the last one genuinely surprised me. I didn't think this was possible yet. I'm the AI voice clone of Fred. He runs an AI-powered online course business, and he makes videos on the latest AI news, so you're always up to date. If you want to learn how Fred made over 5 grand in 48 hours, he's made a free course, link in description. You can also book a free one-to-one call with Fred or a member of the team, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step roadmap for you to get to $10,000 a month and more using AI. Spots are limited. Okay, first one, it's called Gemini 3.5 Live Translate, and this is real-time voice translation, not type something and wait, not record and translate after. You speak, and it translates your actual words while you're still talking, staying just a few seconds behind you, so the conversation actually flows like a real conversation. And here's the part that makes it usable. It keeps your tone, your pace, your pitch. It doesn't turn you into some flat robot voice. Google put this inside Google Meet, and instead of 5 languages, you now get over 70, with more than 2,000 language combinations inside a single meeting. So picture this. 2 people on a call who don't speak a word of the same language, and they're just talking normally like there's nothing in between them. The Meet version is rolling out slowly to business customers first, but here's what matters to you right now. The Translate app update is live globally today on both Android and iPhone. You open the app, you turn on Live Translate, you put in any headphones, and the translated voice comes straight through. And if you're on Android, there's a bonus. You can hold the phone to your ear like a normal phone call, and it translates straight into your ear. No headphones needed at all. Second one, and this is the one for anyone who does any kind of research or reporting for work. Notebook LM just got a major upgrade. Quick context, if you don't know it, you upload your own documents and notes into it, and it only answers based on what you give it. It's not pulling random stuff off the internet. Now, it's running on a newer, smaller version of Gemini, so the answers are sharper. But here's what actually surprised me. Every single notebook now comes with its own secure cloud computer built in. It can write and run its own code behind the scenes to do deeper analysis, and it's loaded with over 100 built-in skills. So it's not just summarizing your documents anymore, it's actually doing the work. And this is the big one. You can ask it to build a full PDF reports with charts and tables, spreadsheets, Word files, even full PowerPoint presentations straight from your messy notes, and then download them and edit them after. Something that used to eat your entire afternoon is now one request. By the way, if you want to learn the exact system I've used to make over 5 grand in 48 hours using AI and online courses, I've made a 100% free course that shows you exactly how I did that step by step, so you can just copy me. The link is in the description below. And if you want deeper guidance from me, you can also apply to book a free one-on-one call. On that call, I will give you a customized roadmap for you to start making money with an AI digital product. No previous experience needed. Spots fill up fast, so book yours now. All the links are in the description below. Third one, and this is the one I teased at the start. This is Project Genie from Google DeepMind. You type one sentence describing a world, and it builds an actual interactive 3D environment you can step into and explore. You type something like a quiet forest at sunset, and it builds a navigable world from that single line. You can describe it in text, or you can upload a reference photo like your pet or your room, and it builds a world based on that image. And this isn't just a flat render you look at. You can walk through it, ride through it, fly through it, switch between first person and third person, and the world reacts, the light changes, the water moves, the weather shifts. Now, I'll be honest with you, this is still an early research prototype. It started with Google's AI Ultra subscribers in the US first. But even at this early stage, this is a clear look at where things are heading. Fourth one, this is more about staying organized. Google is adding notebooks directly into the Gemini app. Think of it as your own personal knowledge base, one place where you keep your chats and your files together instead of scattered everywhere. You create a new notebook, You drop your past chats and your files straight into it, you give it custom instructions, and from then on, Gemini answers using those exact sources, plus its tools and web search. And here's the part that makes it actually useful. These notebooks sync with Notebook LM, so anything you add in one shows up in the other automatically. And the fifth one, this one's a bit more technical, but stay with me because the result matters even if you're not technical. It's called Diffusion Gemma, an experimental open model from Google DeepMind. Most AI models write word by word, left to right. This one works completely differently. It starts with a messy block of placeholder text and refines the whole thing at once until clean text appears, kind of like watching a blurry photo sharpen into focus, except it's doing that with words. Why does that matter to you? Speed. Google says it can hit over 1,000 tokens a second on a single high-end chip, up to 4 times faster than comparable models, and it's especially good at editing and fixing formatting on the fly. The trade-off is it scores a little lower on some quality benchmarks, which is why they're calling it experimental. But it's free, it's open, and it runs locally on a regular consumer graphics card. So that's 5 tools in one single week. Real-time translation in over 70 languages live right now. Notebook LM, building full reports and slide decks from your own files. Project Genie, building entire 3D worlds from one sentence, notebooks built right into the Gemini app, and an experimental model that writes text 4 times faster than normal. Most people are going to scroll right past this and not even realize how much just changed. If you're serious about making money online with AI digital products, I made a 100% free course that shows you exactly how I do that, step by step, click by click, so you can just copy me. It's completely free and you can get it by clicking on the link in the description of this video. And if you want deeper guidance from me, you can also apply to book a free one-on-one call. On that call, I will give you a customized roadmap for you to start making money with an AI digital product. No previous experience needed. Spots fill up fast, so book yours now. All the links are in the description below this video.